Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to view a YouTube video transcript. And this is useful for accessibility purposes if you prefer to go through the video and read the text of what's being said in the video. It's kind of like closed captions, except it's the whole transcript of everything said in the video that you can scroll through. And you can click on different points in the transcript and the video will skip to that point. So to demonstrate this, you can go to any YouTube video and click the three dots down here in the corner and click Open Transcript, and the transcript window will pop up over here on the side. So to use the transcript, there's a couple things you can do. You can scroll through, look for something that you remember or something that was interesting, and click it and jump to that point in the video and play from there. Or you could even copy something, a direct quote out of the YouTube video transcript, and paste it somewhere else, like into Word or your notepad or something like that. You can jump the video to any point in the transcript just by clicking, even if the video is playing. So if we play this video,
but you have to think about,
and we go to a certain point in the transcript and we click it, then we'll be able to jump to that point in the video. So that's it. Today you will now be able to read through YouTube videos transcripts, find things, read the text in the video, and you'll be able to skip to them, and you'll be able to copy parts of YouTube videos right out of the transcript.